Oil change required. Reset on a 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. First thing you want to do is, without pressing the gas pedal, you're gonna put the vehicle in the run position. So you're gonna hit the start stop button 3 times until you see the run position illuminated, and you'll see that oil required on the dashboard. So what you're going to do now is come to the left of the steering and start to scroll up or down. Scroll up to vehicle info. Then you use the side navigation button to scroll across until you see that symbol, the oil symbol. So you're gonna hold OK to reset, and that's it. So you can go ahead and start the vehicle now.